Now, this is more of a Qigong exercise that we're going to be doing today, but doesn't make it any less valid, and I'm counting it as a meditation, so I hope you guys will join me in this. It will be a standing meditation. And this one is particularly good, and I find using the intent of energy coming into you that is very good and beneficial towards you, and action together is very important. If you guys get involved with some more of my stuff, you'll start to use rituals and stuff, and that's the idea of combining your actions some kind of systemized way and aligning that with your intention. And that's been something that people have used for thousands of years. Now, in this one today, we're just going to do a simple Qigong exercise to bring positive energy into us and release any negative energy. So, very simple. Should be about 5 to 10 minutes, and it's going to be very simple. But you're going to want to find a space where you can be alone, where you can do this exercise, and just do it in a calm way, just do it in a focused way, do it in a slow way. And that's going to be your best objective for this. So basically what we're going to do is I'm going to do this meditation, I'll guide you through it. It's very simple, and let's get started. So find a safe space where you're comfortable, and we're just going to put our hands out like this. I'll back up a little bit. Put our hands out like this. Take some deep breaths. Now, I want you to focus on energy not only going into your mouth while you breathe in, but also entering your palms and the front of your body, coming in through your skin. This is a very open position for energy. Focus on bright, light energy, white light coming into you as you're breathing in, through all areas of your body. And as you're breathing out, let out any tension, any kind of stress that your body might have, any soreness. Breathe in light, energy. Breathe out any kind of negative energy. So now we're going to add a movement to that same idea. So we're going to move our hands up as we're breathing in. We're going to draw, we're going to imagine our arms are grabbing all that white energy, bringing it into us, all that pure good energy. So as you breathe in, reach for it, reach up. Imagine bringing light and love into your body. And as you come down, focus on releasing that into your body. Through your chakras, through your different centers, through any pain areas. We're going to do that again as you breathe in, gather, as you breathe out, release into your body, wherever wherever the pain might be, focus on releasing that good energy there. Same thing again. Feel the energy between your hands. And release wherever you might have pain. Wherever you feel the energy needs to go. Now, I want you to focus on the energy accumulating between your hands now. Keep them far apart and just focus on spinning them, morphing them into a ball, and focusing all the energy into that ball. Imagine a ball of light gathering between your hands. Condensing. You feel like you have a nice bit of energy there, I want you to release it in your third eye area. After you're done that, focus on grounding yourself for a few seconds. Feel the feet and the ground underneath them. Notice the energy that's flowing in you now that wasn't before. Notice where it is. And just like that, you're done. So, yes, this is a very simple meditation, a very quick one. Feel free to prolong it longer, to get more energy, to get more focus, more alignment. But as you can feel the energy very physically within this meditation, you start to understand how energy works. It's a type of energy work. So you're focusing your intent, you're feeling the chi, the prana, the energy between your hands, in your body, through your body, and you're sending it where you want. Now, it's a very powerful meditation, and I recommend that you try it often for increased energy, increased alignment with what you want, and increased focus. If you guys are interested in learning more about meditation or healing from within through shadow work, or really just anything that I have to offer, click the button below and you'll see all my offers and my services, and you can look at my full list of things that I offer to you people. So if you guys are interested in that, then click the button below and you can see all of those things. If not, I'll see you tomorrow in our next meditation.